Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10, Creating Forms in Access. Forms. Students, what is the forms? Forms in Microsoft Access provide a quick and efficient way to modify and insert records into your databases. The forms provide an intuitive graphical environment that is easily navigated by anyone familiar with standard computer techniques. Forms also allow users a method of navigating through the system. Form in Access is a database object that you can use to create a user interface for a database application. A bound form is one that is directly connected to a data source such as a table or query and can be used to enter, edit or display data from that data source. Alternatively, you can create an unbound form that does not link directly to a data source, but which still contains command buttons, labels, or other controls that you need to operate your application. Now, students, one can view the records in a database in a customized way using a form. A form offers a convenient and easy to use layout that presents your data in an attractive format with special fonts and other graphical effects such as color and shading. The inherent benefit of using forms are: first one, it acts as a window to the underlying data. Second, it allows you to view one or more records at a time. Means you can view your data, your records. Third, it saves your time and prevents the typing errors. A form can be created in 3 ways. First, using design view, using form wizard and using autoform. The easiest way to create a form is by using the form wizard. Now, form wizard means what, student? The form wizards give you more control over your results than one-click forms do. The wizard lets you make a decisions about certain aspects of a form's design and produce a form based on your instructions. It's create a form that used all the fields from the selected table. The form wizards offers 4 types of layouts: columnar, tabular, datasheet and justified. Creating a form. Now, first in the database window, open the database on which the form has to be created. Okay. Second, click on the Create tab and click Form button from the Forms group. The form screen appears. Third, on the status bar below, click on the navigation button to view the records serially. The newly created form showing the first record is now displayed in the form screen view. One can continue adding more records in this form's view. Fourth, to save the form, click on the Quick Access toolbar and select Save. By default, the name of the table appears on the form name and then click OK. Fifth, to close the form, click on the Close button on the form screen view, or students, right click on the Form Name tab and then select Close. Using a form, you can open the form in the form view and add new records. Whenever your form view open, you can add a new records, apply format options, apply auto format in the ribbon, Your form use means what, students? You can view at a time one record in detail. View only one records at a time. To open the form in the form view, double click on the form name in the navigation pane. To view the records in a table, click on the next button on the form. And to add a record, if you want to add a new records, click on the new record button on the form and enter the data. To change form view to design view, first select the design view. Second, select the desired view from the design tab. To switch between views, one can switch between the design view and datasheet view of the form. In the Create tab, click on the Form button in the Forms group. Students, in the design view, you can change the appearance of the form by selecting the control objects like label, text box, buttons. You think you may need to use from the toolbox. In the datasheet view, you can view all records at a time, add new records, edit or make the changes in the records, and you can delete the records. Now students, to edit a record, switch to the datasheet view, double click inside the field to make changes. And to delete a record, switch to the datasheet view, select the Home tab, click on the record group and then delete. Choose the record to be deleted and choose delete record. The record will be deleted. Thank you.